Oh, it's gonna be a cold one. But it's also gonna be a really fun weekend. We were not even planning on going anywhere this weekend, but we were able to snag one of Maumee Bay's new full hookup sites. So stick around. We are going to show you those new sites, and we're also going to show you this new bike rack that we got. Somehow we timed it perfectly to get somebody's cancellation apparently and get a full hookup site at Maumee Bay. They just put these in. They started working on it last year and they finalized it this year. So this is new. This is something we've not seen before. So we're gonna go see if they really made a mess of the sites or how they're laid out. So we're gonna check that out. The other thing that we are excited about is this new bike rack we got. We finally got our own bike rack. This is a Allen. This is the premium one. It's got the nice rubber tie downs. They just snap on there, super easy to use. But the best part, I got the one with the 2-inch receiver, so it's a lot sturdier, and this ratchet's in here. That thing is not moving. It's one big solid piece this way. So super excited to see how this handles, because if you put bikes on the back of an RV, there's going to be a lot of wobble and shake. This should minimize it by ratcheting in there. So hopefully this will keep them nice and safe. If we like it, we will let you know, and we'll put a link down below where you can get your hands on this one. Let's get that up there and see how it works. One-handed, that was a pretty easy operation. It also, if you have a hatchback vehicle that you want to put this on, or a truck, it'll allow you to open the bed or open the hatch. So one-handed operation, pretty nice so far. So there's the final product, all hooked up and ready to go. These have really nice rubber tie downs. You can wrap around at any angle. Michaela's bike is a little weird, so we had to turn it on its side, strap it that way, and then they're all strapped together. So if you have this on the back of an RV, you want to do the shake test and see what's going to happen. There's a couple points to look out for. Number one, handlebars. You want to make sure those are not going to be rubbing up against the back of your trailer. And you can see we've got quite a bit of room to spare, and they're locked in place so those can't move. The other thing is the bikes rubbing against each other. You can rub paint off, have a lot of issues. So we're hoping this bike rack answers all of those dilemmas, all those problems, and we'll let you know what we think. We obviously haven't driven anywhere with it yet, but when we get there, we'll do a review of this. So we got everything strapped down on the back, everything loaded up inside. Let's hit the road. People trying to get water at once. Woohoo! We made it in. Very pretty looking site. Just behind the concrete. This looks perfect. Well, Michaela, the new bike rack worked, because there they are. All right. So let's get these things off. Watch how easy this is. Got one strap there for yours, one strap there. And there's her bike.
It's a new bike.
Pretty nice. All right, so here's the answer to my questions. Site 6, they're very open at the back, but there's still nice trees in between. And there's our fire ring, neighbors. And you were saying these sites are not as private?
Not as where we stayed last year.
As some of the other loops. This full hookup has a big opening behind it. A little cute little attempt at privacy. But still very far away from your neighbors, and it's nice. Let's It's just overall beautiful park. We went for a walk this morning. Now we're gonna check out the bike trails. Here we go. So that trail leads all the way from the campground to the beautiful lakefront, and then all the way around to the lodge and the beaches. We're gonna go see it a little closer. Final verdict on the bike rack. Absolutely love this thing. Very easy to put the bikes on there, very stable going down the road. So I would recommend this to anybody who's looking for a solution that's not going to completely break the bank. One thing you do have to be careful of, where these attach, because they are rubber straps or the weight of the bike needs to be on the frame, you really have to be careful of your gears and your brake cords. So be conscious of that. Pay attention where you're strapping them down, and you should do really well. Definitely recommend this Allen bike rack, so we'll put a link to this down below. All right, time to dump the tanks. We have the black tank flush hooked up. I don't always do this, but when I have full hookup, sure is nice to take advantage of it. Just make sure you got everything cleaned out. And one of the other benefits of this trailer, I don't mind dumping in the rain as much. We've got this nice overhang here. I can put my stuff under the trailer. So it's a pretty good setup. But overall, Maumee Bay's full hookup sites are really nice. It's not the entire loop. If the I think it cites, can't remember the actual numbers, but if you're on the loop itself, like the turnaround section, those are not full hookup. They're still electric only, but they have upgraded those to 50 amp service. And the full hookup sites are basically on the straightaways, the 2-lane traffic, not the turnaround. So pretty nice. This is saving us a long line wait at the dump station. So there's the dump station line. Typical Maumee Bay Sunday. Nice rainy morning. And this is not a bad line yet, is it? But with the full hookup, they knew it'd be an issue, so they put these cones out so no one can use the full hookup sites to dump. Would have been nice if it wasn't raining, but it is what it is. So we enjoyed our trip. Now we are just doing the final process to get packed up and get out of here. So thank you for watching. Hope this helped you decide if the Maumee Bay full hookup is worth it or not. Beautiful sights. We enjoyed our time. If you like this video, go ahead and give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to hit subscribe to see where we go next time, because we actually got some more fall camping planned this year. So we will see you next time.